Oh geez, my ears hurt. It's a Pro Mod car. So I'm here at Cars Coffee Palm Beach, and they're having like a special Barrett Jackson edition because, well, the Barrett Jackson auction is coming to West Palm Beach in a couple of days. So yeah, just kind of hanging out. Gotta check out some more of the cars, but I'm getting some breakfast for the food truck, some chicken and waffles. So I'll do that, and then we'll check out some more cars. Hey, check this out. Roadrunner. So this is a Plymouth Volare Roadrunner. Oh man, it's from 1978. This is actually kind of cool. I think the Roadrunner that I was thinking of was like the Barracuda, the Barracuda. But let's see this thing. So this is a 1978 Chrysler Mechanic Diagnostic Testing Vehicle. It's got a 360. Hang on a second. Let me see. It's got a 360 4 BBL automatic, sure grip diff, sport package, louvered windows, and sparkling white paint. Oh, cool. Very 70s interior. Geez, even got the square speedometer. Let me zoom in on that. Look at that. You know, you don't see that anymore, that's for sure. Oh, and the seats match the color scheme. Look at that. So it's got that white, orange, red stripe, same as down here. It's kind of cool. Oh, it's actually yellow. It's faded. Yeah, see, it's faded from the driver sitting in it. So you could probably get it re-dyed. If you look over here on the passenger seat, it still got it. As a matter of fact, look on the right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so let's see what Barrett Jackson's got going on here. It's like a 930 turbo. What is this? It's some kind of, I'm thinking it's a 32 Ford Coupe. Or a Hudson, or I have absolutely no idea what this is. If you know what it is, tell me in the comments. Oh, this is one of those, so this is a 5th gen Camaro converted to a Trans Am. And over here, 7.4 liter supercharged engine. Man, this is nuts. Oh no, this is a 6th gen Camaro. I didn't know they had done this yet to the 6th gen. So it's got, kind of looks like a Firebird. Right there, Firebird and started smiling. It's got the big fire chicken on the hood. All right. Awesome. And here you got the real thing. Smokey and the Bandit Special. TA 7.4. Jeez. Fire chicken. Inside the interior is also black with brown inserts on the seats. Automatic transmission. I love this. This is sick. I think it's a Ferrari F12. A lot of black cars here. Here's another one, Super Duty 455, another 7.4. So these are two of them. Well, this one's full of vinyl graphics on it. See, another Trans Am conversion. This one's got, these are the headlights from an E46 M3. At least it looks like it, I don't know. Huh. What is going on? Yeah, dude, these are like E46 headlights. Huh. Okay. Lamborghini Superleggera. And no, I don't think so. There was one of these rolling around that actually has a twin turbo kit from Underground Racing. That's my friend Nick's car, but I don't think this is that car. So yeah, that's pretty cool. McLaren Palm Beach, they brought out some cars, 570S, 570S Spider. Let's see, a Vantage, in kind of like baby blue. What else? We got the Grand Cherokee Supercharged. Is this the Trackhawk, I think? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Hey, it's PJ. So you got an Aventador? Having fun? Very nice. How you liking the Aventador? Nice, nice. Yeah, I like the interior. All right, we got a GTR, got a 2017 GTR. Check this out. I think I saw this guy last week in Miami. Huh. He went out, so he's come all the way up here. Or maybe last week he went all the way down there. I don't know. By the way, it's cool. It's got the sand, flat sand color. U.S. Army wrapped. And the seats, let's check the seats out. They're blue Brom seats with Brom harnesses. And check this out, the center console and some of the other stuff has matching blue stitching. Oh man, dude. You know what I used to have one of these, E36 M3. Beautiful car. Well, mine was all flat black because, well, it was a piece of junk, but this one is beautiful silver. Specific color is Titan silver. And it has the, if you look right there, Active AutoWorks Supercharger Kit. This is something like, I think like a $10,000 kit or a $7,000 kit. Bumps the power up to like 300 plus. I think like, I forgot. So these come with 240 horsepower stock. So the supercharger bumps that up to, I think, gosh, what was it? 360 horsepower? Like, holy crap, this makes this car faster than like an E46 M3. That's odd. I see he decided to keep the traction control. So, traction control on the E36, right? It works in on 3 different parts of the car. One is it brakes the wheel, or it applies the brakes to the wheel that's slipping, and it also over here will reduce the power output by retarding the spark timing and by turning this throttle body. So this is the primary throttle body, and there's actually a second throttle body in front of it that actually has a smaller diameter. So everyone just removes that and puts something else in its place because it's actually kind of a restriction to the intake. So yeah, it would actually close the throttle body to reduce the power output for traction control. Another thing that people do, this is a 96 plus motor, it's an OBD2 motor. You can tell because the runners here are thinner, and BMW did that to add to the torque output but without increasing the horsepower output. So on almost every car, if you put the OBD1 manifold with the nice big runners there, you'll gain like 20 horsepower. And considering that he's supercharged, probably 30 horsepower. So there you go, that's E36 tidbit right there. Yeah, I love my E36, it was a lot of fun, but man, that car was expensive to maintain, everything always broke on it. It's a fun car, but I probably wouldn't buy one for anything other than a race car project. Because the stuff that broke, like, was mostly on the interior and all the things that wouldn't matter if it were a race car, so there you go. All right, so we got some nice cars over here. We got a Skyline R34 GTR. Jeez, RB26 engine. This car's a 4-wheel drive. Oh, check this out. It's got Tane coilovers with EDFC. So that way they can adjust the damping control from inside the car. What else they got? What else they got? Let's see. We have a Toyota Supra. Yo, is that a Supra? Look at this. This one's got a lot of power. The hood's closed, so I can't show you guys. But yeah, it's got this carbon fiber stuff all over it. Carbon fiber lip and canard. Right over here, R33 GTR. Look at this, RB26. Oh, this one's got a lot of work done to it. Jeez. Very nice, very nice. There we go. AN fittings for the catch can, nylon braided hoses. Jeez. It's even got a, look at this, air box. You ever seen a aluminum air box? This one's from ARC. That's the intake. I guess the, oh, this is the intake. That is the charge piping, goes down to the intercooler and then comes up over here into the manifold. Real nice. Oh, Nismo manifold. Very cool. Right-hand drives. Oh, it's got ABS. Okay. Real nice car. Real nice car. All right. Yo, I think this is like an. Yo, is this like an R30 or R31? This is an R32? Yeah. Oh, okay. Huh. It's an R32. So you got a 33 and a 34 over there, and you got an R32. And I'm pretty sure I saw an R30 or R31 all the way down there. But huh, it's pretty cool. I thought the R32 had different taillights, but I guess that's just the GTR. Oh, the four-door has the square taillights. Okay. Hey, that's pretty cool. There we go. That's unique. That's different. Didn't know that the Skyline had different taillights like that if you were two-door or four-door. Oh, check that out. All the way down there, FDRX7. Right there. Bam. Jeez, there's a Skyline takeover here at Cars and Coffee. Got another R32. This one's a real GTR.
You told me.
Look at this. R32 GTR. These are getting really popular, especially since they become legal for import. Look at that. All right, guys, rolling out of here. Show's over. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys later.